Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers with friends. While the game doesn't offer a direct multiplayer option, you can still create an exciting competitive experience. The primary way to engage with friends is by comparing your high scores. Challenge them to surpass your personal best, turning each run into a friendly rivalry. It's all about who can achieve the highest score and dominate the leaderboards among your group. Get ready to show off to truly compete. Sharing your scores is key. After an incredible run, take a screenshot of your high score, perhaps reaching over 1 million points, and share it on your favorite social media or messaging apps. This visual proof makes the competition real and exciting. Encourage your friends to do the same, creating a dynamic leaderboard among yourselves. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and push each other to new heights in the game. The core of If You Love Her lies in its simple, repeating chord progression. For the verses and chorus, you'll cycle through G major, C major, E minor, and D major. Play each chord for one full measure, following the strumming pattern we just learned. Practice this sequence repeatedly, starting very slowly, and gradually build up your speed until it flows smoothly. While direct multiplayer isn't currently available, the Subway Surfers community is vast. Join online forums or social media groups to connect with other players, share your strategies, and discover new tricks. Keep an eye on official game announcements for any future updates that might introduce new ways to play with friends. For now, embrace the thrilling single-player adventure and continue to challenge your friends through score comparisons. Happy surfing!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.